You excited, Karen?
Yes, I am excited. I'm happy to be going as well. Why is Shook here?
Because Clarkson invited him over? Yeah, so Junior, you're gonna have to deal with it.
I can't deal with it. Come here! Come here, Junior! I'm gonna beat you! Hey, stop! When we get on the train, both of you stay away from each other. Okay, Tom. Sorry. Kane, wasn't Paul supposed to be joining us? I'm sure he'll be here soon. It's alright, we can wait for him. Oh dear, I'm gonna be late. I won't even have time to get lunch. Where is Paul?
There he is.
Am I late? No, you're just in time. Without further ado, let the journey commence. Can I get you guys anything?
I'll have a Coca-Cola, please. I'll take an iron brew.
I'll take a Pepsi, Hammond. I'll have a pack of salt and vinegar crisps. And what would you like, Vicky?
Do you know what? I'll just have a Coca-Cola.
Okay, if you just give me a couple minutes, I'll have your orders ready in no time. Are you enjoying this so far, Debbie?
Yes, I am, Dad. I'm actually loving it.
I've only been in Scotland for 2 days, and this is what I'm being treated to. This is great. I can't wait to tell my son Vinny about this tonight.
Are you enjoying this, Shook?
I'm actually liking it.
So, Sally, are you enjoying yourself? Yeah, this is quite fun.
Dadgum, this is fun.
Yes, it is.
Ladies and gentlemen, please brace yourself. The incompetent steward is about to pour tepid coffee into your crotch.
I'm sorry, what? Okay. Oh my god. I'll pass that one.
Can I say, James, stop making announcements? That's my job. I'm the steward. You drive. I steward. It's my train, and the driver makes the bleeding announcements. That's the way it is.
What was all that about?
I don't know. I knew there would be some comedy in this journey. Yeah, I know, Tom. Oh my god. Paul, did you hear all that? Yes, I did hear everything, Marlon. Well, that was something.
My god, that was crazy.
Yeah, it was crazy. Yeah, I know, guys. This is probably the best train journey ever. Like, saw dudes, I'd love to do it again. I know, Mr. Amanda. Yeah, this is fun.
Hello.
Oh, hey, Perry.
I'm just checking to see how you guys are getting on.
Well, this is nice.
This is quite nice, isn't it, Jaker? Yes, it is.
Oh, what the hell?
What was that?
Hammond! May, you idiots!
Oh, no. Hammond, what have you done? Sorry, Clarkson, but I tripped and then everything fell out.
Hammond, you blithering idiot!
How's your neck, Juliet? Much better, thank you, Belle. In fact, I don't have my whiplash injury anymore.
That's good. How are you feeling, Perry?
I've got all my driving confidence back, and I'm feeling much better.
That's good, Perry. That was a nice cup of tea. Yeah, I enjoyed my Coca-Cola. Are you enjoying your Sprite, Debbie?
Yes, I am, Dad. We should do this every year.
Yeah, we should. Yeah, we should, actually.
Not too far to go now. Not too far. Come on, let's go.
Alright, Vicky, we're nearly there.
Okay.
Hopefully we get there in one piece. Alright, Jerry, are you excited to get there? Yeah, I am, Tom. What about you? Yeah, me too.
Too far to go. Yeah, not too far to go now.
Yeah, like Sawdudes, I'm really happy that we're nearly there, like Sawdudes.
Oh my god, my heart is literally racing.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now arriving at Glasgow. Please make sure you've got everything before you leave the train. Thank you.